Hello everyone, welcome to Sugi Cooks. In this video, I've shared an easy to prepare coconut milk appam without using yeast. I've shared two ways, plain appam and appam with egg. Take 1 cup boiled rice or idli rice, 1 cup raw rice or sona masuri rice, quarter cup whole white urad dal, quarter cup poha or flattened rice, and half teaspoon methi seeds. Wash well and soak in water for a minimum of 3 hours. Grind them thick and smooth using very little water. Close and allow to ferment overnight. After 6 hours, the appam batter is well fermented. I've taken half the batter in a separate bowl, add 2 tablespoons sugar and quarter teaspoon baking soda. Add half cup or required amount of thick coconut milk. Mix well and make a semi-thin pouring consistency. To prepare appam, add required batter in appam pan. Swirl the batter around the appam pan. The excess batter will settle down in the middle. Cook covered in medium flame until the appam is crispy at the edges and spongy in the middle. After well cooked, gently lift at the edges. Your tasty coconut milk appam is ready. To prepare coconut milk egg appam, add required batter and swirl once to coat the batter around the appam pan. Add well beaten egg. Swirl again to coat the egg around the appam. Excess will settle down in the middle. Now cook covered in medium flame until appam is crispy and egg is well cooked. Gently lift at the edges. Your coconut milk egg appam is ready. Coconut milk appam goes well with spicy coconut chutney. You can use the same batter to prepare traditional Madurai style karupatti appam using palm sugar syrup. I've shared the video link in the description box below. This is a delicious weekend treat not only for kids but for the whole family. I hope you give these recipes a try, and if you do, don't forget to share your feedbacks and comments. If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing so that you can stay updated with all my future video uploads. I'll see you soon with another interesting recipe. Until then, happy cooking and stay healthy.